What's up? Hope I'm not the first to introduce you to Canva Magic Studio. It's another AI generator that can supply you with text-prompted artificially created content. I'm gonna go for a space theme prompt and a fallen astronaut prompt. Another great source for vectors, stock photos, stock videos, and more is vecteezy.com. Told you we get to Adobe After Effects. You can drag and drop media into the project window. Shortcut Control-N for new comp settings. Note the difference in your media. Dropping a 4K pic and a 1K comp works how you'd expect it to work. Staying organized keeps little nuances from getting you turned around. Keyframing is how you animate. I move here and set a key at the beginning, then move here and set one at the end, and the software does the in-between for you. Rotoscope our astronaut using the pen tool. Rotate. Keyframe positions to animate him too. I use the key light to key green screens, key your clouds, and throw them on top. Bow! That's how JeaLou5 did it.